Hello and welcome to TTS Trophy Tech Techno Solutions. Trophy Tech Solutions. Welcome to them. I'm going to teach you how to basically learn how to use the computer. So right here, all that I have highlighted, the whole of this place is called a desktop. This is what we call the desktop, all of this place. And everything that you see here, this one, this PC, the Chrome browser, the Edge browser, they are all icons. They are all icons with the exception of this, which is called a folder. This is a folder. So I'm going to teach you basic navigations over here. So let's say we want to open this PC. The simplest thing we can do is to double click it to open it. When we say double click, we mean pressing the left mouse button twice. When you press the left mouse button once, we call it a click. If you double click it, we call it, if you press it twice, we call it double click. Okay, so that is one way of opening an application, a program, a software, a folder on the desktop or anywhere on the computer. So you can double click without shaking your hand or shaking the mouse. That is, if you are using a mouse or using a touchpad on the laptop, make sure your second touch does not slip or shake. It should be simultaneous. So you double click to get it opened. Another option is click just one press of the left on the left mouse button and then you press enter on the keyboard. Let me take it again. You press the left mouse button once, that is a click, and then you press enter on the keyboard. It's another way of opening. You click once and press enter. And another option is right click on the icon and then this is a selection, it's another selection. Select, I have selected this, I've selected this, I've selected this, but I have not clicked yet. So I click open to get it open, to get the work done. So right click, look through the available menu and then click open. And that is the third way. So this is all I have for you today. We shall meet again. Thank you.